Hey guys, today you're going to learn how to mount an outboard. First, ensure that the engine is properly supported when lifting. In our case, we use a forklift or chain fall with a lifting eye attached to the engine. Our holes are already drilled, but you will need to use a template and drill the mounting holes for the engine in the transom. Ensure you use marine grade sealant such as 3M 5200 to seal around the holes in the transom prior to mounting the engine. If you're repowering your older boat, now is the time to replace your steering cable and cylinder, the shift and throttle cables as well. It's cheap insurance. Make sure the shaft for steering is properly lubricated before inserting it into the steering tube. Mount the engine so that the bottom of the cavitation plate on the engine is level with the bottom of the boat using stainless steel mounting bolts and torquing them to the manufacturer's recommendations.